Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you really quickly how you can add video elements into your Go High Level funnels or websites. Before you had to kind of do like jailbreaking type ways to get video elements to play within pieces of your website. But today I'm going to show you how you can do this really easily. So to be able to access this, what you're going to have to do, so I'm just in my demo account right now, but you're going to have to go to settings of whatever account you're in, and you're going to go down to labs. So basically, this is where you can get, and it says right here, welcome to our beta program, but basically you're able to access certain features before they go live. In order to gain access, you just have to toggle it on. So I'm going to go down to the new website builder in this one, and I've toggled it on. It'll look like this if you haven't, but just make sure you toggle that on. And then we're going to go over to our website. So I just pulled up a template for like a hair salon, and let's see here. So let's say that on the home page, rather than there being this picture in the background, we would rather have a video element playing. It's just a little bit more eye-catching when you have that, at the top of your website. So all I'd have to do is go to where it's selected, and right now you can see it's on image. But once you've gone into labs and accessed the new web or website and funnel builder, you'll now have this option. And you can see that even like the website builder looks even a little bit different. It's all the same elements and things you can do with it, but they've redone a lot of the way it looks, which is, I like it. I think it looks really good. So we're going to click video. Ooh. And then we're going to go into the library. And I've already uploaded just a simple video I found on Pixel. Great website if you're looking for copyright free stuff. And what you'll have to do is just kind of mess around with these settings right here, the fit, cover, fill. Cover seems to look the best with this. And so I'm going to save this so that when we preview it, we can take a look at it, and you'll see now the video elements directly in there. So yeah, that fits the whole frame. Now, ideally, I would like this to be moved over a little bit so that I think this is too big. So obviously, if this was a website, I'd be editing this a lot more. But that's how you add video elements into your Go High Level websites and funnels. They've made it super easy. So just make sure you go into that Labs tab within your settings in Go High Level in the account that you want to be building this, and you'll have this option opened up to you. So this goes live to everyone. I think it's like 34 days from the time of this recording. So in about a month, this will be live just to everyone, and this will be the new way of doing things. But if you want access to it early, you are able to do that by just going into labs or into settings, labs, and finding this right here. So hope you guys have a good one, and I'll see you later.